Hi friends, welcome back to another exciting adventure with WebChatGPT. In our last video, we explored the world of travel destinations and itinerary planning using our trusty WebChatGPT. Today, we dive deep into travel tips and advice with WebChatGPT and avoid falling into tourist traps. In the fast-paced world of today, planning a trip can be both exciting and overwhelming. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first adventure, you can't deny the power of the internet and AI in making your journey a breeze. Let's move on to number 3, travel tips and advice. But first, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. You won't miss our valuable videos. Tip 1, avoiding tourist traps. WebChatGPT's got your back with real-time recommendations to avoid those crowded, overpriced attractions. Think of it as your secret agent in the world of travel. Are you tired of falling into tourist traps when you travel? Research is key. Avoiding these traps begins before you even set foot on the plane. The secret weapon? Research with WebChatGPT, my friend. Before you go, look up the top-rated local spots, read traveler reviews, and follow travel bloggers. Take a look at an example of research using WebChatGPT. We understand that planning a trip can be overwhelming. WebChatGPT gave you the latest travel tips and valuable sources while traveling in New York. The heart and soul of any trip lie in the unexpected discoveries. Don't be afraid to ditch the itinerary and get lost in the side streets. Try that bizarre-looking dish or chat with the locals. Those experiences are pure gold. WebChatGPT can always be your smart agent to help you. How can I stay safe while traveling? A question that should never be overlooked. WebChatGPT will provide you with safety tips, local emergency numbers, and advice on staying out of trouble while exploring. Tip 2, packing like a pro. All right, my friends, let's kick things off with the art of packing. What is your dreamed place to travel? Please leave your comment below. Ever wonder how to fit your entire wardrobe into a carry-on? WebChatGPT to the rescue. Our AI buddy can help you pick the essentials and even remind you not to pack those extra 3 pairs of shoes. For example, what are some essential travel packing tips for a winter vacation? This is the question you want to ask if you're heading to a winter wonderland. WebChatGPT will guide you on packing warm clothes, accessories, and everything you need for a cozy trip. Tip 3, dining like a local. When in Rome, eat like the Romans do. WebChatGPT knows the local foodie scene like the back of its hand. Say goodbye to disappointing dinners and say hello to authentic local cuisine. As you know, simply type in WebChatGPT what food you like, and you'll get meal recommendation instantly. Tip 4, mastering public transportation. All aboard the Travel Hack Express. If you're all about saving those travel dollars, just ask WebChatGPT, what's the cheapest airfares? It'll give you tips and tricks on how to score the best deals on your flights. WebChatGPT will teach you the ropes of public transportation, making you feel like a local in no time. And don't worry, we've all taken the wrong train before. Tip 5, language barriers no more. Lost in translation? Not anymore. Whether you're traveling abroad or communicating with someone from a different culture, language barriers can often pose a challenge. But with the help of WebChatGPT, you can break through these barriers effortlessly. WebChatGPT is a powerful tool that can assist you in navigating different languages effectively. With its advanced language processing capabilities, you can confidently order food in a local restaurant, ask for directions on the streets of a foreign city, and even engage in simple conversations in the local language. Gone are the days of relying on translation apps or struggling to make yourself understood in a foreign tongue. WebChatGPT can provide you with real-time translations and accurate linguistic support, ensuring seamless communication no matter where you are. But that's not all. WebChatGPT is more than just a language translator. It can also help you learn the basics of a new language. By interacting with the model, you can practice pronunciations, ask for vocabulary suggestions, and get instant feedback on your language skills. So whether you're a traveler exploring new destinations or a language enthusiast seeking to expand your linguistic horizons, WebChatGPT is your ultimate companion. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to effortless communication with WebChatGPT. Tip 6. The power of flexibility. Embarking on an unforgettable journey filled with excitement and wonder. Let me share with you the golden rule of travel. Flexibility. It's the secret ingredient that transforms an ordinary trip into an extraordinary adventure. Picture this. You find yourself in a bustling bazaar, surrounded by vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and the melodic sounds of exotic music. Your senses come alive as you embrace the unexpected, surrendering to the whims of the moment. The ability to adapt and go with the flow opens up a world of possibilities, leading you to hidden gems, unforgettable encounters, and life-changing experiences. So, when you step foot on new destination, remember to leave room for spontaneity, for it's in those unplanned detours where the magic of travel awaits. Ready to embrace the power of flexibility and let the journey take you on an extraordinary ride? WebChatGPT encourages you to embrace the unexpected. With real-time updates and tips, you'll navigate delays and cancellations like a pro. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, WebChatGPT is your reliable companion for a stress-free journey. With WebChatGPT, you can access a lot of useful features and information. Need help with packing problem? WebChatGPT will provide you with a comprehensive packing list based on your destination and the duration of your trip. Worried about tourist traps? WebChatGPT will guide you to hidden gems and lesser-known attractions that will make your travel experience truly unique. WebChatGPT also has useful tips on dining like a local and trying out authentic cuisine. Whether you're a foodie or just looking for a good place to eat, WebChatGPT will recommend the best restaurants in your area flexibly, taking into account your dietary preferences and budget. Safety is always a top priority when traveling, and WebChatGPT has got you covered. It can provide you with valuable information on local safety measures, emergency contacts, and even language translation assistance. With WebChatGPT, you can travel with confidence, knowing that you have a trustworthy companion by your side. So where are you heading next? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to bring WebChatGPT along for a seamless and enjoyable travel experience. However, it's important to use it responsibly and verify critical information when making important decisions of traveling. Thanks for joining us on this travel adventure with WebChatGPT. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content with AI. Until next time, may your journeys be filled with laughter and unforgettable experiences.